you're the big fans and you're most popular in Indonesia. I want to wish you success in a couple of years in the near future. And I want to thank you so much.
Guys, I will be very short. Thank you.